Assembly is 21.1, but there is no half a percent. As per the votes cast here, 23. Honourable members, the report on the removal of His Excellency Honourable Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment has now carried the day. Honourable members, His Excellency Honourable Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, now stands impeached. Honourable members, as guided by the standing orders, now the office of the Speaker shall notify the office of the Speaker of the Senate for the necessary processing. Thank you. Next order.
Adjournment.
Order, honourable members. Honourable members.
Mwasiara imemna wasacha. Ime.